In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix verification required on the App Store on iPhone. If you keep seeing the verification required message when trying to download an app, even a free one, this usually means there's an issue connected to your Apple account. In most cases, it comes from outdated payment information, an unpaid purchase, or an account verification problem. The good news is that this is usually simple to fix once you know where to look. First, open Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen. Then go to Payment and Shipping. If your iPhone asks you to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, check your payment method carefully. Make sure the card on file is valid, not expired, and that the billing details are current. If anything looks outdated or incorrect, update the information or add a new payment method. This is one of the most common reasons the verification message appears. Next, go back into Settings, tap your name again, and open Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Here, review your subscriptions and purchase history. If there's any unpaid balance on the account, that can trigger the verification required message right away. Taking care of any outstanding charges is often enough to clear the issue. If everything looks fine so far, the next step is to sign out and back into your Apple account. In Settings, tap your name, scroll all the way down, and choose Sign Out. After that, restart your iPhone. Once the phone powers back on, sign in again with your Apple account. This refreshes your account connection and can fix temporary verification glitches. You should also make sure your iPhone is fully updated. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update. If there's an iOS update available, install it. Software updates often fix bugs and account-related issues in the App Store, so this step is definitely worth doing before trying again. Another thing to check is screen time restrictions. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then go into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure App Store purchases are not being blocked or limited. Sometimes restrictions are enabled without realizing it, especially on shared or previously configured devices. Finally, close the App Store completely, restart your iPhone one more time, then reopen the App Store and try downloading the app again. If the problem still won't go away, the most likely cause is still your payment method or an unpaid balance linked to your Apple account. In most cases, reviewing the payment and shipping section carefully will resolve it.